everyone, I'm back on to share with you another neat Christmas decor idea. Okay, for today's DIY, I have this Christmas tree here that I've had for like maybe around 4 years, but we're going to revamp it, and I'm going to be using some white acrylic paint. And I also have these little mirrored tiles here. And I have these beads that I got from the Dollar Tree. I just placed them in this jar. They came in a mesh bag. And I have some of our flower bling wrap that I like to use. I think it's so nice. Okay, so we have our Christmas tree here. And we are going to, like I told you before, we are going to paint it with some white acrylic paint. And we have to turn it over and paint the inside and everything. It would be easier with some spray paint, but I don't have any white spray paint, so I'm just using the white acrylic paint. Okay, so I finished the first coat and it's dry, so now I'm adding a second coat of paint going over our Christmas tree. And with the second coat, now I'm going to add some silver glitter along with some blue chunky glitter flakes. So I'm just going to sprinkle it all over the Christmas tree, which the paint will help to hold in the glitter. And now I'm just adding in the chunky blue glitter flakes. Okay, it's a few hours later now and our tree is all dry. Doesn't that look nice? It looks nice with the silver glitter and the chunky blue glitter. So now I'm going to use the blue stones and add them to our Christmas tree. Now just using some hot glue to glue them on. Hey everyone, how are you doing? I'd like to say welcome back to my channel. I didn't say it at the beginning, your girl has just forgotten. But anyways, welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here, I'd like to say welcome. And I do hope you will consider hitting the subscribe button and ringing the bell so you'll come back and see more of the DIYs that I have to share with you. And like I said, I hope everybody is having a great day today. Now I'm going to be using some of the flower bling wrap, which I'm going to cut into the individual circles and glue them going around our tree. I'd like to remind everyone, like I always say, to have fun while you're crafting, listen to music, do something that you love, and enjoy yourself while you are crafting. I like listening to music while I'm crafting. It helps to make me feel good, and it helps me to pass the time while I am doing what I love to do, which is doing DIYs. Now I am going to add some of our mirrored square tiles that I have here onto our tree, and that comes with a self-adhesive on the back, but I'm just using some hot glue for some extra reinforcement. And now I'm going to add some more of our blue stones onto our tree. Yeah, I think that looks better. So now I'm going to remove the little protective plastic over the mirror. And now I'm going to place one of our flower bling wrap onto each mirror. I like how that looks, so now I'm going to do the same thing on the back of our tree. And here is our finished look. Our quick and easy Christmas tree decor. I like how it looks with the mirrored tiles on it. I think that looks so nice. And see how easy it was to revamp an old item that we have throughout our home and make it fresh and new for this Christmas season. I like how it turned out. And here's another way you could decorate it with some tea lights on the bottom. It will make a lovely centerpiece for your table. Yeah, you could also use it as a centerpiece for your Christmas table this year. I think it looks nice with the lights. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of our revamped Christmas tree. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. And I hope I have inspired you with another lovely Christmas decor for your home. You could even make it as a gift to give to someone special for this Christmas season. And I hope you guys will give me a thumbs up for today's DIY. And if you're not subscribed, I do hope you will hit that subscribe button and press the bell so you could come back and see more of the DIYs that I have to share with you. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.